Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about something very helpful and practical, low maintenance haircut ideas for women over 50. As we grow older, our hair changes. It may become thinner, dry or harder to manage. So choosing the right haircut can save time and effort and still make you look stylish and confident. Let's explore some beautiful and easy haircut ideas that don't need much styling. First is the short bob haircut. This is one of the most popular choices. It is simple, neat and easy to manage. You don't need to spend a lot of time styling to every day. Just a quick comb and you are ready to go. A bob also makes your hair look fuller and healthier. Next is a pixie cut. This haircut is very short and super easy to handle. It is perfect if you want something fresh and modern. You can wash and dry your hair quickly and it still looks great without much effort. Pixie cuts also give a youthful and confident look. Another great option is the layered short haircut. Layers add movement and volume to the hair. This is very helpful if your hair feels thin or flat. The best part is layers don't need perfect styling. Even a little natural wave looks beautiful. Now let's talk about the shoulder length haircut. If you don't want very short hair, this is a perfect choice. It is long enough to tie if needed, but still easy to manage. You can leave it natural or just lightly brush it for a clean look. A very easy option is the wash and go haircut. This style works with natural gray hair and texture, with whether your hair is straight, wavy or slightly curly. This haircut allows your hair to fall naturally. No need for heat styling every day. This saves time and keeps your hair healthy. For women who like a soft look, the feathered haircut is a nice idea. This style gives a light and airy feel. It frames the face nicely and does not need heavy styling. Just simple brushing and it is enough. Also, don't forget about bangs or fringes. Soft bangs can make your face look younger and fresh. They are easy to maintain if you keep smile and light. Now here are a few tips to keep your hair cut low maintenance. Always choose a style that you suit your natural hair texture. Don't fight your hair, work it with. Keep regular trims every few weeks. This keeps your haircut looking neat without extra effort. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.